Hello guys, today video I will try to show you a simple technique to know if the day is green or red. And this is the most important thing to make money, because if the day is green, it begins to the day is green, you can go long and you can make money. And if the day is red, just at the beginning, you can see that it is red and then you can short the stock and you can make money. So let's go very quick and in order to show you this. So now first I should show you something about why the day should be green or red. Okay, now this is a candlestick, so we try to have two parts here. Now this is, let's say, today in the morning, today at 9:30 at the beginning of the day, okay, AM, you are there you want to trade. Now this is yesterday, okay. Now why you should know yesterday, I will give you the technique. Let's say the stock yesterday, it goes from $19, okay, $19. Let's say it goes to $20, okay, just an example. Now $20 here is the close of yesterday at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. This is the close of yesterday. Now today you want to trade this stock, so you don't know if the stock will go up or go down. Now in the morning at 9:30, when just the trading of this stock begin, it will show you there are three scenarios only, okay. Scenario one here, and then we have scenario 2, and we have scenario 3. Now what does it mean, scenario 1? Scenario 1, it means that the stock opens, there is no much changing from it means after market hours the stock has done nothing, and in the morning it has done nothing because there are news, there are nothing that makes the stock move too much. So usually the stock begins at 20. It could be 21 cents or 5 cents or under, it doesn't matter, okay. Now sometimes when it opens in the morning, the stock is up, let's say 15 cents, okay. Or it can go down, let's say, so here we say the green, and here we have the red, okay. Let's say 19.75, okay. So at the beginning, whenever the stock opens, this most of the time when the stock opens at number 3, most of the time it is red. Now at the beginning it is red because, you know, because how do we know the day if it is red or green? Now here we should see from yesterday to today. So please, those who use only the day, if it's going up or going like up or going down, this is another thing, okay, because they see only the day, they don't see yesterday. For my techniques that I use yesterday close as my base information. I don't just go to a stock and begin to trade if the stock is going up or going down, because sometimes the stock is going up in the morning a little bit, then it goes down. So for me, I always want to see yesterday. So you should have the chart set to see yesterday and today in order to give you either green or red. Whenever the stock opens the same price, this is always green. Okay, green. If it is above 2015, it's green. Now, if it is under $20, even if it is 19.99 cents, this will be red. So, whenever the stock is probabilities, if the stock begins with number 3, it means it's down 1975, for example. The stock can go up a little bit, but it will go down. This is in general the way you know. So what you should do is just look at the stock. It goes down. It means in the morning, just it opens, it goes down. Look where after a few minutes where the stock goes. Okay? If it goes up, try to see if it crosses the green. If it crosses this green line, which is 20, that means that the stock might go up and strong, and it will be a green day. It means you will be making money. Now, if the stock goes up a little bit here or near, and then it continues to go down and crosses this line of the beginning, it means the open, because this is an open, this is an open, this is an open. It means we have 3 scenarios. Scenario number 1, number 2, number 3. We begin with number 3. So just the few minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour, try just to see where the stock is going. Because if the stock is opening at 9.75, for example, it will be red. You see that the candlestick like this. It should be red like this. Red. Because it is under 20. It begins with 1975. So just see. If the stock is going down, that means that it is going more and more down, and it will be, in general, it will be red. But understand that it's not a sure thing. This is what I always say to you. That's why the people are getting frustrated. They think that there is something that it is always 100% sure. There is no, it doesn't exist. But these techniques are very, very good to implement and to practice. You will be good at it. Now, for number 1, because we finished number 3 here, which the day may be red. Number 1 is when it opens the same price, the same $20, $20. So just look. If it's going down, look if it goes just a little bit, just a few minutes. Or if it's going up few minutes, just follow the stock for a few minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and see where it's going. If it is a strong, just buy here. If it is a strong going down, you will see that it is going down, so you short it, and that's it. Now, most of the time, number 2 here, the scenario number 2, if the stock is open above the $20, it means you will see it as green. You will see as a green candlestick like this. Okay, in the morning, green. Just follow it. If this green continue to become green after 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, you see that the stock is going up, and you will see that it's going from 2015, it goes, for example, 2030, and it continues to go up. Okay? Now, these 3 scenarios that you always see, if you continue to do this always, you will be looking at all these 3 scenarios, and whenever the stock is beginning with a scenario, you should just follow what I say. And this technique is a very effective technique, and most of the day traders, they use it, and it needs a practice. It means it's not just something that you just begin with and you can succeed. So you just practice until you succeed in this thing. Okay? So thank you very much. Hope this this video will help you practice a little bit. I have training level 12, how to day trade using chart and candlestick, and I have training level 11, how to sell short a stock. It gives you the risk, it gives you where to sell short. I have a lot of techniques. This, what I show you, is only one technique that I use sometimes when I'm doing day trading. I don't do that much because I have long positions, which is better for me. But for you guys who are really interested to know, and you are good at day trading and you want to do day trading either in stocks or in forex or in futures, it's the same thing, because it only the basis is just the price. Okay, the price, and you check the previous candlestick or previous day. This is always the same in everything. And if you continue with this technique and you practice it, you will succeed. Okay, so thank you very much. Please share my video and subscribe if you don't, and see you tomorrow.